Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm going to be making chicken lasagna tonight, and just because it sounded really good and I couldn't think of anything else to make. In fact, I found a website like 100 easy Italian dishes. Not what I mean, some look good, but I kept thinking, man, lasagna, that sounds excellent. So we're gonna make that. And I gotta pause. When I turn off, I'm gonna do a lot of the prep off camera because you've seen me cut up chicken, jalapeno, and mushrooms. The usual. You see me use the same seasonings that I pretty much use in a lot of other videos. But I'll show you more of the assembly of the lasagna. And the rest of the ingredients will be pretty much the same stuff I typically always use, because when you have flavors that you like, stick with them. And if you're just checking in first time, description will have a playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday, which is done by Shovelhead 8. And then my last week's video will be down there, plus there'll be a video in there how I clean and maintain my cast iron. So you're gonna check those out. I'm gonna start prepping. I'll bring you back here in the probably straight. Chicken's in, salt, and Jalapeno on my white. I've got some mushrooms already cut up. I've got one jalapeno which I already cut up. Not a lot of veggies in this because a lot of veggies I just don't like. Either I don't like the texture, I don't like the flavor. Yes, I'm being picky. No, I don't mind. Make food how you like it, not how others like to eat it. Because I'm making this for me. Why would I make it a special way for somebody else who's not even going to be tasting it? So, not that I wouldn't share with all of you, but you know, you're home and I'm here. I'm going to go ahead and throw my jalapenos in here. Get those sauteing up. Got some garlic here I need to start cutting and breaking down. I'm getting a little bit behind, but not terrible. Just gotta get the garlic in. Go ahead and throw in the mushrooms. Mince is looking real good. Mushroom, chicken, jalapeno, and garlic. Turn that way down. Turn this pan on. Because I'm going to be putting garlic in here. There's already a little bit of oil. So, oh, got something on the burner. Alright, so what I'm doing is get the garlic just starting to saute. Smell it. I got some 2 containers of heavy whipping cream. I went with 2 because I wanted to increase the sauce. Let me get the other one in there. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the rest of this 3 cheese blend in here. I had it when I had the other pasta. And unfortunately I forgot to buy another one, but I'm going to throw in the rest of my Parmesan as well. Because I want the cheese to thicken this sauce. Like this is the same way I made my Alfredo sauce. Cream, garlic, cheese. So off camera I grated a bunch of cheese. There's a little bit of cheddar in there because I need cheddar for my eggs in the morning. So it's 2 birds with 1 stone. Just went ahead and grated all that up. The cheese is melted. Now, the sauce might be a little runny, but it's still warm, so it might, hopefully it sets up a little bit. Plus I'm going to be baking it for an hour with cheese and everything else, so I'm going to go ahead and put sauce on the bottom. Just like I would with a meat lasagna. Put some of the meat in here. And I got these Barilla oven ready lasagna. Because boiling it can be a real pain in the rump. So, not that it's difficult, it's just, you know, why not do something easy? Oven's heated, so put the shells down. Cover with cheese. And I also got some ricotta. Which I need to get a spoon for. I think there's actually a better way to do this. I'm just kind of going at it like this. It should melt while it's baking, so. Alright. And yep. 2 more shells. Man, I just saw the camera timer at 6 minutes. I'll let that bake for 50 minutes at 375. Oven just went off. Been 50 minutes. Currently watching BC Gerbs live. So, yes, it's Friday night, not actually Wednesday. Ow, heavy. Okay. Let's have a look. This is going back in the oven for about 20 minutes. Here's some bubbling. It's looking crisp up. Ooh. Looks pretty good. Get that back in the oven for another 50 minutes. Look at that pot of bubbling goodness. Oh yeah, bacon on top. Of course I can't cut into it because it will burn my face off, so I gotta let it sit and settle a bit. But yeah, we'll bring it back. I gotta go ahead and cut into this. The smell is killing me. Let's see if I can get this out. Maybe I should grab the spoon. It's not coming out easy. Oh man, it's probably good. Look at that. Alrighty. Ah man, smells great. If you hear voices in the background, I'm watching a live video right now. I had to get up to get dinner. I'm gonna burn my face off. Dude. Damn. Holy crap. Oh man, that's so good. I'm gonna go sit down and eat dinner because this is phenomenal. I'll bring you guys back. I'll tell you what, I just finished my first serving. That was, excuse me, freaking delicious. I actually completely forgot about the jalapenos. So while I'm eating it, I'm like, wow, this is a little bit spicy. Dang. So anyway, wow, seriously? Fine till you. Anyway, I do appreciate you watching. Thank you. Don't forget to check below for links for Cast Iron Wednesday, and then how I take care of my cast iron, and yada yada, everything else below. And have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one.